Country Junction Feeds in Alberta, Canada, produces wet and dry feeds for cattle, hogs, poultry, horses, bison, elk, goats, and sheep. To improve batch consistency and prevent damage when adding liquids to fragile ingredients, the company installed a fluidized bed mixer from Munson Machinery. Batches are transferred by either of two drag chain conveyors into the mixer, which is mounted on load cells, allowing a PLC to stop the conveyor once the mixer has gained preset batch weights of up to 660 pounds or 300 kilograms. Twin paddle agitators counter-rotate at 36 RPM within twin U-shaped troughs, causing material to fluidize along the center line of the vessel, where oil or molasses is sprayed for rapid distribution. After mixing cycles of only 10 seconds to 2 minutes, full-length drop-bottom gates open, rapidly discharging blended batches into a hopper, which feeds a bag filling line. As soon as the bottom gates close, another batch of dry ingredients is loaded by weight. A pump refills the overhead liquid hopper and the mixer is restarted. According to the maintenance manager, the Munson Fluidized Bed Mixer delivers better batch-to-batch consistency than a previous auger mixer, is easier to clean, and imparts less shear, reducing product degradation, especially with fragile materials. Learn more about Munson Fluidized Bed Mixers, rotary batch mixers, ribbon, paddle, and plow blenders, V-cone blenders, rotary continuous blenders, and variable intensity blenders at munsonmachinery.com.